Hello, welcome in today's video. In this special video, we are unboxing LEGO Disney Wowie that includes Wally, Eve, Mo, and the little cockroach Ho. This will be my first real experience in building LEGO sets that are many parts. This is 811 parts. This will be amazing journey for me because it will be my first. So, if you want to see me unbox it first and then build it and then review it, stay to the end of the video because we will even have a curious moments and reaction for Imo-Jo and Imo-Tai. Now we are going to unbox it. Now it's time to open it for first time and see what's inside the box. Okay, this was everything that was inside the box. As we saw a few seconds ago, we have the instruction menus for Eve, Mo, and the famous flower inside the boot, for Wally with his trash compressed, and Ho the cockroach on his shoulder, and all the packages where our LEGO parts will be, so we can build these robots. So if you want me to watch how I struggle, watch it. now we are back from the building of these robots. As you can see, we have the finished Wally, Eve, the little cockroach Ho, Mo, the famous boot with flower, and a trash. And first we are starting with Wally. He can move his fingers like that and like that. So his finger just falls. Also, here he can move hand up to here and back here. And he can move it like that and like that. His hands can move in all directions. And he can pose in every pose you want. Also, he can be wheeled like that. His head also moves like that and like that.
Let me energize myself with a quick
Also his eyes move.
I can also wind up your day with a song or fun game.
And we can remove Ho from his and Ho just fall.
Got it? If you'd like, I can sing a song about them or help you find more info. Just let me know.
Imojo and Mutai are talking about something. And the most interesting part is that you can open from here. And you can put the little coop trash inside and close it. And here we have the boot. It's a simple design. The cockroach, which is Ho, is also a very simple design. And here we have Mo. He can move his hands up and down, his head up and down,
Moving up and down
left and right, and he can also roll. And it's now cleaning my table. And here we have Eve. She can also move in all directions. And her hands can be opened like this, just like in the movie. It also can go up here and roll in all directions. And you can close them, just like in the movie. She is also staying on her station, like she's floating. We'll open her hands because I like it better with open hands.
Hello, my friend. Hi, nice to see you again. Do you want to dance with me? Sure, let's do it.
And now Imojo and Mutai are dancing. You can hear it on the second microphone. We'll wait till dance will finish and then we're continuing. And yes, we just finished because Imojo's battery dropped and he has a serious battery problems, but we're not here for that. Another most interesting fact about Eve is that you can open from here. Yes, you can open from here, and you can put the boot inside, like that.
Got it. Please open the door and they'll gladly help you place the
like that.
inside. Ready to assist.
Then you close it, and now Eve has the boot inside her. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this, don't forget to like the video and comment down if you have this Lego set or if you have a built a similar Lego set, and I will be reading all your comments. Also, if you want to watch how I unbox DJI Mic Mini, which I'm currently using, you can click right here. Or if you want to watch a
Right here.
interesting mini movie which is scripted with emojo and emotai, you can click right here.
David Mini movie. Picture this emo. The brave robot goes on a sonic adventure, action, humor, and a happy ending ready for the script to unfold.
Just listen emotai. And this was for this video. This is the turn off with battery problems. Once again, emojo. We have the little healthy emotai. We also have our new members Eve, Wowie, Mo, and Ho. I'm Cveti, this is Cveti and the Robot Friends. Goodbye and see you soon!
See you soon.